Tornadoes. They're one of many natural phenomena that happen in our world, such as earthquakes, tsunamis, hurricanes, and other natural disasters. Mother Nature can be very unforgiving, and tornadoes are a very good example of that. So, what causes tornadoes? Well, tornadoes are caused when the cold air from a thunderstorm collides with the very warm, humid air of the ground of the atmosphere, before a thunderstorm. Tornadoes, when those two airs collide, they create a spiral, which causes a funnel cloud to form. This funnel cloud can develop into a tornado. Tornadoes have 5 different categories. EF0, actually 6, EF0 through EF5. EF0 is one of the smaller ones. It's almost like a dust devil. Winds usually aren't anywhere higher than 80 miles an hour. And an EF5 tornado, that's the largest category of tornadoes. Those tornadoes can be very fast moving. They could literally rip houses out of the ground. It's insane what tornadoes can do. In some cases, in this picture, you can see that tornadoes can get very, very large. They can be, in this case, tornadoes can be miles wide, like literally miles. So I think the largest tornado on record is about 3 miles long. That is caused by if the storm has to be very large first, and also the ground has to be just the right conditions to make a very large tornado to happen. Sometimes the tornadoes can branch off into smaller tornadoes, or the storm can just cause multiple tornadoes in one. Tornadoes usually do not stay around for very long, but there are some cases where tornadoes have stayed there. Like example, the Tri-County tornado in I believe the 1920s ranged from it started all the way in Missouri and went all the way through Indiana. That tornado, and it ended in Indiana. That tornado caused billions and billions of dollars worth of damage because it just stayed on. It was so strong and it stayed on the ground for so long. So tornadoes are an incredible phenomena, and they can cause lots of damage and lots of destruction in their path, depending on how strong they are.